Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, encountering the PlayStation error code NW-31205-1 can be really frustrating, especially when you're ready to game. This code usually pops up when your console has trouble connecting to the internet or PlayStation network servers. It's a common network-related issue, but thankfully, there are several straightforward steps you can take to fix it. Let's walk through them together and get you back into the action. Often, the easiest solutions are the most effective. Your first step should always be a full restart of your PlayStation and your internet router. Completely power down your console, then unplug both the router and the PlayStation from their power outlets. Give them at least 60 seconds to fully discharge any residual power. Then, plug them back in, allow everything to boot up, and see if that clears the error for you. It's a surprisingly effective first fix. If a simple restart doesn't work, let's dive into your PlayStation's network settings. Head to the Settings menu, then select Network and choose Set up Internet Connection. For custom setup, you might want to manually enter DNS servers. Consider using Google's public DNS, 8 for primary and 4 for secondary. This change can often bypass ISP-related DNS issues and give you a more stable connection. For more persistent issues, let's explore some advanced network tweaks. Try manually setting your PlayStation's MTU to 1472, as this can sometimes improve data packet transmission. You might also need to look into port forwarding on your router. Opening specific ports for PlayStation Network can greatly improve connection stability. This can be more involved, so check your router's manual for guidance, as it's often a very effective solution. If you've tried all these steps and the NW-31205-1 error still pops up, don't give up. Consider trying a wired Ethernet connection temporarily. This can bypass any Wi-Fi interference. If that doesn't work, reaching out to your internet service provider might be necessary, as they can check for outages on their end. As a final step, contacting PlayStation support directly is always a good idea. They can offer more specific troubleshooting, tailored to your console and situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.